Hey guys, this is Ellis with Memphis Audio. On today's workshop, we're going to talk about everything that comes in the box with our MXA62PS Power Sport Pods and everything that's needed to get them installed on your machine. So first, let's take a look at the speaker itself. This is a 6.5-inch driver that was designed specifically to work in this pod, and we have the tweeter that's mounted on this bridge. That does a couple things as far as improving the longevity of the speaker and the sound quality. It's going to allow to get maximum mid-bass out of the speaker, but also keep that dust, dirt, and grime out of the inside of the enclosure. So when it comes to mounting on this speaker, all the bracketry that's needed is included in the box. You can see right here, we do have our clamp for the bars. This thing does rotate 360 degrees, so any angle you to mount this speaker at is going to work perfectly fine. To go along with mounting on this, if your tubes are bigger than the screws that come already installed on the speaker, we do have screws that have extra length, as well as some rubber bushings to make sure that speaker fits tight to the bars on your machine. The next thing we want to talk about with this speaker is the wiring. As you can see here, it already has connectors attached to the speaker. There are two plugs that come off of this speaker. The first is going to be a watertight speaker plug. This is going to how you get your audio input to get the sound out of your tower speaker. This plug is going to be for the RGB. This is how you get those lights going, get all the colors on your machine. Both of these do make a very nice, tight connection. First, we'll start with the RGB. This is the pigtail that's going to come in the box. We're going to plug that in to the plug right here. It does have a small screw down connector, which helps get that sealed up, make all that nice and tight. We're going to screw that connection in. We're going to keep all the water and mud out of there. Speaker connection, here's your speaker pigtail. This is going to come from your amplifier or your head unit. It's going to snap in directly here into the water resistant connector, and you're good to go. So when we flip this pod over to the back, we want to talk a little bit about the Memphis badge and how it can be rotated on the back of the machine. We understand that these machines are mounted in multiple positions around the machine. Sometimes it's in the standard configuration with the bracket on top. If it happens that you're mounting these technically upside down, you can easily rotate this badge. Even if you're at an angle on some sidebars, we can keep that Memphis M flying upright the way it's supposed to be. If you notice under the badge, it does have this nice 3M layer of double-sided tape. That's going to keep this badge nice and secure on your speaker, regardless of the mounting position. So there you have it. Hopefully, in this video, you've taken away some info on what comes in the box with your new MXA62PS speakers and how to install them properly to get the best sound and lighting on your machine. For more information on this or other power sports products, please check us out at memphiscaraudio.com.